With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Here the question is given that if this is a matrix given that is an orthogonal matrix, then the value of modulus ABC is equals. Here we can see that the given matrix that is equals to A. Here this is a orthogonal matrix, so A into A transpose that is equals to identity matrix here. Okay, so that here we can see that here the value of A that is equals to 0, 2B, C here, A, B minus C here, A minus B, C here, and A transpose that is equals to, here we can see that is equals to here 0, A and 2B, B minus B here, C minus C here. Okay, that is equals to identity matrix that is equals to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 here. Okay, so that the next step here we can see that when you multiply these two matrix, here we can see that here 0 into 0, here we get that 0, here 2b square plus 2b into 2b square, so that here we get that 4b square, here c into c that is equals to plus c square here. Okay, here we can see that 0 into a, here we get that 0, so that the next step here we can see that 2b square into, so that here we can see that 2b into b, here we get that 2b square, here c into minus c, that here we get that minus c square here. Okay, here at the same time here we can see that 0 into a, here we get that 0, 2b into minus b that is equals to minus 2b square, c into c, here we get that plus c square here. Okay, so that the next step here we can see that here a into 0, here we get that 0, here b into 2b that is equals to 2b square, here c into c, here we get that minus c square. Okay, here we can see the next step a into a that is equals to a square, here b into b, here we get that b square, here minus c into minus c that is equals to c square plus c square here. Okay, so that the next step here we can see that a into a that is equals to a square, b into minus b square, here c minus c into c that is equals to minus c square, here we can see that a into 0 that is equals to 0 minus 2b square, here plus c square here. Here we can see that a into a that is equals to a square, minus b into b that is equals to minus b square, here c into minus c that is equals to minus c square here. At the same time here we can see that a into a that is equals to a square, here minus b into minus b that is equals to plus c b square here. Okay, c into c that is equals to plus c square here. Okay, that is equals to, here we get that identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1. Here we can see that compare both the matrix here, so that here we get that 4b square plus c square that is equals to 1 here. Okay, equals to 1 here. At the same time here we can see that 2b square minus c square that is equals to 0 here. Okay, at the same time here we can see that a square plus b square plus c square that is equals to 1 here. Okay, a square plus b square plus c square that is equals to 1 here. So that the next step here we can see that 2b square that is equals to c square. In the place of c square, write 2b square here. So that here we get that 4b square plus 2b square that is equals to 1 here. So that 6b square that is equals to 1 here. So that the next step here we can see that b square that is equals to 1 by 6 and b is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 6 here. Here substitute the value of b is equals to plus or minus 1 root 6 in this here. Okay, so that here we can see that 2 into 1 by root 6 whole square minus c square that is equals to 0 here. So that 2 into 1 by 6 that is equals to minus equals to c square here. Okay, here 2 ones 2 3s here. Okay, c square that is equals to 1 by 3 here. So that the value of c that is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 3 here. Okay, so that the next step here we can see that here we get the value of b and c here. Substitute the values here. So that a square plus here the value of b square that is equals to 1 by 6 here plus the value of c, that c square that is equals to 1 by 3 that is equals to 1 here. So that the value of a square that is equals to 1 minus of 1 by 6 minus of 1 by 3 here. So that the value of a square that is equals to, here we can see that 6 minus 2 by 6 here. Okay, so that the value of a square that is equals to 6 minus 3 that is equals to 3 by 6 that is equals to 1 by 2 here. So the value of a that is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 2 here. Okay, here the modulus of, here in the question here we need to find the modulus of a b c here. Okay, that is how much here. The modulus of a b c, here we can see that the value of a that is equals to 1 by root 2 and the value of b that is equals to 1 by root 6 here, and the value of c that is equals to 1 by root 3 here. Okay, that is equals to 1 by 6 here. This is the final answer. So let's check the options here. Here we can see that the value of a that is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 2 and the value of b that is equals to 1 by root 6 and the value of c that is equals to 1 by root 3 here. Here we can see that option 3 is the right option. That's it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.